man go down the road and say the black man a kill the white man now. Hear the black man to the white man when him don't kill him. Yeah man, you figure you deserve it.
Yeah, you know that.
So you know the white man them say, we three white man, we three white man. Pound the flower.
Ready now.
He deserve it, he deserve it. So you know so the policeman them drive up on the scene same time.
Ask a wagwan.
Ask a wagwan. The man them say,
he deserve it, he deserve it.
The man the policeman say, who kill him? We three white man, we three white man. For what? Pound the flower. Why? He deserve it, he deserve it. You know the man them send themselves up. There you with me baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you baby. What did them? Think of chattings?
Yeah guys.
Bang, bang, boom.
We'll come back again. Fully mukbang style, you know. Yeah guys, you notice today outside? You know the inside. Outside. Whoa, yeah. Now go in. The people are outside our yard gate with a son about to call Andrew. No, sir. Come take a little seat too. Ready feet now?
Yeah, so nice.
Nowhere else. No. Nowhere else.
No. Hot, fire.
Hot, Nabonia. Hot.
Switch return to. It have the heat tonight.
And the hey. So sweet and nice, you know.
Start no man.
Miss Thompson, I watch but they can't get none of this. My mother can't get none.
Big up yourself here, Miss Thompson. Just send here and come. If it's not done.
Everything I go shell away, and that's the thing.
No.
Yeah man, thanks. Yeah guys, campfire vibe. If you want to see more night video, comment it down below and never me tell you go do it.
And never me tell you go do it. And never me send you go do it.
Down below and never me tell you go do it. I was going to be the next one. Hot for true guys. Hot. Bang bang boom.
Watch your container the man roll over with the plate.
Man roll with the plate?
Yeah.
No!
No God! The man roll over with the plate.
Man roll with the plate?
Yeah.
No! Man roll with the plate?
Man the
breadfruit you mean? Yeah. But you say man roll with the plate.
You see that rolling at the plate.
You say man roll away with the plate.
Yes.
It's not like the back say him wrong and I want to admit that.
You see like how me all out saying in the vibes, yeah? Want to talk some black man, white man and China man.
Yeah, who remember them days when you used to talk about black man, white man and China man?
Some duppy.
Yo,
I'm matter of fact, I'm going to start it so. You know what I say? How am I start it again? Alright.
how am I start it?
Remember the end man, so we're repeat it and build it around it.
Yeah. And you drop it down below if you know black man, white man and China man. Let me get the first one. So now you have the king, right? And the king have a daughter.
Hold on, I can't start. I wash off my hand because I have to hold up the stuff and peel off the bad part. Okay?
But we can't go and start without you. What is man going?
Go on, do nothing.
So, you have the king, right? I have black man, white man and Chinese man. So the king give each of them a task. Anybody rescue his daughter from the shark, them, the monkey, whatever, I don't remember. But so, yeah, get him daughter and some bag of riches. So now, when Chinese man go, Chinese man book him toe and he drop in some water. When white man go, white man book him toe and drop. When black man go, black man book him toe and say, Alwater shit. We don't know if I say it, but I saw me remember it. You don't get the joke though?
No! God, please, no! No!
You don't get the joke though?
I couldn't remember if I had
No.
seen one of that thing, bro.
But I'm sorry, go down. I'm short talk.
Oh, it go, you know?
No, I know that. I'm going to tell them about my own.
Alright then, give me
Alright, guys. 3 white men come to Jamaica.
Alright.
Because they talk about black man, white man, and China.
Me I go give you one. Come.
Alright, 3 white men come to Jamaica.
Yeah,
See him?
yeah.
So them don't know no Jamaican song.
Oh, yeah, we know that one.
So them want learn now
Jamaican
Jamaican music. So
Yeah.
them realize say Cartel sing so fast. And Beanie Man say I'm the girl them sugar. And Bounty Killer the poor people governor.
Alright.
So them couldn't manage that. So them decide say them gonna build a song for themselves.
Alright.
So them start to walk down the road and hear them. We three white man, we three white man.
Alright. Come now, man.
See?
We three white man, we three white man.
We three white man, we three white man. But a three black man there is still in the guys. Don't get it twisted, see? Two
black man, me and
two
a
black
man.
man and a woman. See?
Yeah.
But we are talking about the three white man them.
Don't
Alright.
get it twisted.
So them a pass a shop and them hear a man say, sell me pound of flour. So hear them now. We three white man, we three white man.
We three white man.
Pound of flour, pound of flour. So you don't know what say.
Them a build a song, you know, guys.
Them a build the song, you know, guys.
Bars.
So everywhere them a walk now, them start say, them just have the two line there. We three white man, we three white man. Pound of flour, pound of flour. So you know, so them go down the road and see a black man a kill a white man.
Come now, man.
Jesus peace. Them go down the road and see the black man a kill the white man now. Hear the black man to the white man when him done kill him. Yeah man, you figure you deserve it.
Yeah, you know that.
So you know the white man them say, we three white man, we three white man. Pound of flour, pound of flour.
Ready now.
He deserve it, he deserve it. So you know, so the policeman them drive up on the scene same time.
Ask a walk.
I ask a walk one. The man them say,
He
no,
deserve
no.
it, he deserve
The man
it.
the policeman say, who kill him? We three white man, we three white man.
For what?
For what? Pound of flour, pound of flour. Why? He deserve it, he deserve it. The man them just send themselves a prison dog.
You see, when you go somewhere and you don't know, get a translator. Alright.
So that the moral of the story is, see you're blind and deaf and all, so don't send nothing to the police.
No, the moral
Because
Okay.
the moral of the story is, see you're blind and deaf and all, so don't send nothing to the police.
No, the moral of the story.
Because see, if them never send nothing to the police, guys, they would have gone to prison. Because them not do nothing.
Listen to
them
me.
innocent, but you them a try to build a Jamaican song.
The moral of the story is this. Get a translator if you're going into a country where you don't understand the language or you learn before you go there. So true. Sure? You can put yourself in a trouble. I'm just a take along, so guys, I'm hungry, you know. You know hungry, Andrew?
Environment.
Oh, give me that one then, no? Yeah, guys, we have Mama being at the back and give you some too. So where it go?
Yo,
No.
stop. Yeah, go on.
Them mother send them out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She said to them, Big Ed,
Mm-hmm.
if you shake your head ever drop off.
Yeah. Fine
You get
foot.
no
If you
ass.
run too fast, your foot will pop off.
If you run, your
Too
foot
pop off.
Big belly, if you
Laugh too, your belly will go bust.
And me, big belly, belly
And
bust.
butter, if you run in the sun, you will melt.
So guess what happened now?
Yeah.
Then go,
Mm-hmm.
and then they go up here and pick. When they go up in a tree, and him go pick one
Them a
plum,
thief, the man
one
plum.
mango. And when he pick the mango down, the mango sweet. Big belly don't have run. Said to
Start.
him, say, Big Ed, the mango sweet, and all them do was to shake your head.
Hey.
It drop off.
It drop off. Big belly don't go.
I laugh.
Big
Yeah.
belly boss.
Mm-mm.
Fine food she no run go on for tell mama him
Foot
foot
them
drop
pop
off.
off.
business.
Yeah.
What a world, so everybody dead.
Exactly. Nobody
Sad.
not get to tell the tale.
Nobody not get to tell the tales,
Dead
guys.
man tell no tales.
Alright, watch that one here. Yo, you remember the one here? I'm a ghost on the wall, I'm booming my ball. Do you hear me? Alright, so you know what I say? Black man, white man, and China man.
Yeah, run it again.
See?
Mm-hmm.
So you know what I say? I have a ghost on the wall, see?
Yeah.
So, China man stays so now, boom. I'm going in the cave for the wall, where the duppy up on the wall.
Yeah.
I said to him, say, yo, I'm China man.
Chinaman.
Hi, Mr. Hold on. And I'll kill you. You better leave here now. This place belongs to China.
Oh, right, no, right,
So you know what I said?
China
The
won't ever
ghost
win.
just look upon him and laugh. Ha ha ha. Who sent you? Bet they never see you again. Chop him up fine.
A storyteller, you
And
know.
dash him, my guys. So you know what I say?
Mama go
White
and
man
take-
go
this
in.
time I take too long.
So when white man go, you know, guys, white man say,
Nice and turn, guys. Sweet.
white man say, where the duppy there? Can you know say I'm here the only duppy around here, so. And then white man say, I am the ghost on the wall and I'm booming my ball. Do you hear me? You go to Pilas look upon him and say, all you, I love eat white people and just glab him up. Just glab him up. Quick and fast. Black man get petrified now and I say, I don't see Chinese man come back out.
I don't see
white man come back out.
And my turn.
And my turn. So him going there before the duppy talk, him say, Mr. Ghost, I have one thing to say to you. And this is all I have to say. Whatever happen after happen.
What?
And the ghost say, what's that sound?
What's
that smell? I need to get out of here.
Run gone.
Run gone. So you see it? We as black people conquer anything.
Hey, believe in your culture.
Trouble. Them know we.
Guys, my taste piece to while and my belly are rumbling now. It's a rumbling.
Alright,
ready.
Let's go to the father.
Yeah, go feed
Let's throw a bonfire. Sure. It curse here, you know. Curse here, you know. Miss B send over fair plate, you know, guys. So I'm fat it up.
Alright.
See each other make claim for other people.
Right, this stuff.
A mukbang, you know, but in the video.
Hey, no, you want your food.
Whoa, yes, you're so nice, guys.
No way else. Can't turn over a pot.
You're so nice.
Hey, hot tool. Bang bang boom. Come on.
Boy. Hold up the plate there. Guys, you have to start out mommy first. Yeah, guys, she's the Tamil lady. Take her in the description. Check her out. She make anything you want.
And guys, if you notice, we never put a saltfish in the Ackee because King are vegan.
Yeah, I know mukbang, but did I feel another one?
You're welcome.
Alright, now watch it free. You over here. You
So I put them in this.
over here. See? You
In
here.
this.
No, organize now.
Come on, man.
Yo, this is so good.
No, organize now, guys. Put on it.
Full.
No, organize. Just step on them. Just step on them.
You want to eat out of?
Yeah. But watch out about it.
You take the cover. Come on, man.
Cover your one.
Yeah.
I want the cloth.
Guys, I'm hungry.
I know you want Ali.
No, how long we are waiting?
Hold this, my boss.
Warm. We are going warm up. The pot cover warm. Come on, our butter. Come now.
So I'm not soften the butter food because remember I want it, you can rub it on anything. Guys, I first see this. Normally rub the butter on the breadfruit, but watch it so I make a butter sauce.
Yeah. Remember the pot did add so it a melt.
So everybody have them plate?
Yeah.
Ready.
You ready though? Long time me ready and now yet.
Why? You're so happy. You're so rapacious.
Sure.
Just rapacious, so.
None no job. You see my look if some job, none no job.
So I'm not have to look. I have to look, you know.
Yeah, this is
You can't manage them more.
no man, me tell you down the line.
Down the line.
Sweet and nice though.
Wait no man, another ice. What a plate, what it? Think of that nice. See what
Take
nice,
my
yeah?
fork. Come on. It might take long though.
Nice, lovely.
Yeah.
Country style.
Alright, turn on nice, it turn on
Sweet.
sweet.
Pull it, plate.
Real mukbang. Oh, it tastes, Mama B.
We not miss the salty.
Alright, we don't miss the saltfish. You hear that?
Alright.
Guys, me don't usually eat breadfruit or like breadfruit unless it roast and fry. But me I go down here this, you know. Them tell you, you know, you see picnic. All of them no eat of them, yeah, them eat a road. So my mother, if you see that video, you just know some eating habits change.
Stamp, you see that? Alright.
Guys, you have to go and shell down this first, then we'll get into the story time.
Get a nice story time. Stop the crime.
What up your something, no?
Let's do so.
King, me for busting story, I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, man, what's the story where you tell me about motor?
Guys, it's not a dopey story. Get this one from Motor, way
Yeah.
back in the day. Somebody say I look for God. So I'm God the four corners of the earth. The north, south, east, west. And still can't find God. Then upon him travels him back upon this old wise sage. And the sage said, go into the hills, go into the cave, you'll see a book and it will tell you where God there.
Yeah.
So I'm going in the cave and back upon the book and see the mirrors. More of the story, God is within you.
Hey, remember that.
I like that. Because watch this now. God built man in his own image
Exactly.
and liking.
Likeness.
And likeness. Sorry my language people. And likeness. So God is within us. We are gods. But that no means say you are gonna feel like say you can work magic trick or you can build people, blow breath in a man. Don't get it twisted. So long me I find this for you. You want a bite?
Oh guys, I forgot to go in some but crazy shell.
And a butter too, brother.
Nice.
I tell people when I cook, you know.
Oh my God!